The biscuit manufacturing industry is a complex and highly automated process, transforming raw materials into a wide variety of beloved snacks. Here's a comprehensive overview of the key stages. Raw material handling and preparation. Flour. This is the primary ingredient. It's crucial to select the right type of wheat flour based on the desired biscuit texture, like hard dough for crackers or soft dough for cookies. Flour is often sieved to remove impurities and ensure consistent quality. Sugar. Various types of sugar are used, including granulated sugar, powdered sugar, and liquid glucose. Sugar contributes to sweetness, texture, and browning. Fats and oils. These include vegetable oils, butter, and shortening. They provide richness, flavor, and contribute to the biscuit's texture. Leavening agents. Baking powder, baking soda, and yeast are used to create the desired rise and texture. Other ingredients. Milk powder, salt, flavors, and various additives are added, depending on the specific biscuit recipe. These ingredients are carefully weighed and measured to ensure consistency. Dough mixing. The raw materials are combined in large mixers. The mixing process is critical for developing the gluten in the flour and achieving the desired dough consistency. Different mixing techniques are used for different types of biscuits. The temperature of the dough is also very important. Modern mixers often have automated controls to ensure precise mixing times and speeds. Once the dough is mixed, it's formed into the desired shape. This can be done using various methods, sheeting and cutting. The dough is rolled into thin sheets and then cut into shapes using rotary cutters. Molding. The dough is pressed into molds to create specific shapes. Extrusion. The dough is forced through a die to create continuous shapes which are then cut to the desired length. Modern manufacturing uses automated machinery to perform these tasks. Baking. The formed biscuits are conveyed through long ovens. Oven temperature and baking time are carefully controlled to ensure even baking and the desired color and texture. Different types of ovens are used, including tunnel ovens and rotary ovens. The baking process is where the biscuits obtain their final texture and flavor. After baking, the biscuits are cooled to room temperature. This is essential for preventing breakage and ensuring proper packaging. Cooling conveyors are used to move the biscuits through the cooling process. Packaging. The cooled biscuits are then packaged to maintain freshness and prevent damage. Various packaging materials are used, including plastic films, cardboard boxes, and metal tins. Automated packaging machines are used to fill and seal the packages. Packaging also includes labeling, which contains product information, nutritional details, and branding. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented. This includes inspecting raw materials, monitoring dough consistency, checking biscuit dimensions and weight, evaluating biscuit color and texture, and conducting microbiological testing. Modern facilities use automated quality control systems. Key factors in modern biscuit manufacturing. Automation. Modern biscuit factories rely heavily on automation to increase efficiency and consistency. Hygiene. Strict hygiene standards are maintained to ensure food safety. Efficiency. Manufacturers strive to optimize production processes to minimize waste and reduce costs. Innovation. The industry is constantly innovating to develop new products and improve existing ones. I hope this extensive explanation was helpful.